So this is regarding the issue of that we can't add assembly items to the cart on GoCougs.com. In this category here we have 2 assembly items. The first 2 items here, these 2 t-shirts, are both assembly items. So selecting the options and then add to cart gives this error right here. Sorry, there's a problem with this item and cannot be purchased at this time. Please check back later. We have no idea why that error is occurring. It hasn't been occurring in the past. We actually haven't sold assembly items yet on the site. It's a new site. We just took the site live in September for go live, and now we're making a public launch of it this week, and so we haven't experienced this problem before. Again, there's this other item here. This long sleeve is another assembly item and having the same issue. It looks like it's going to add to cart and then doesn't. If I go to this default code, the URL you gave me on the support site, and I browse to that same place, then it actually does add to the cart. Seems to work just fine. Adding to cart, where I can view my cart and check out. So there's the problem.